So, is Labubu the defining toy of our generation? This week I made a new artwork. Actually, I made six. Six Labubu wall sculptures. Why a Labubu, you ask me? Well, Labubu is the latest toy trend. It's everywhere. The thing is, with the trends you never know. It's super big today, maybe gone and forgotten tomorrow. I wanted to capture that unique feeling, being at the center of today's cultural highlight, knowing that it could vanish at any moment. That's Labubu. Every generation has its own trends. Tamagotchis, Furbies, fidget spinners, they all felt unique and important. Yet they quickly disappeared into oblivion. And Labubu is a tiny statement on why some things last, but most things don't. So what you think? Is this a wall piece, an artwork, a toy, or a tiny rebellion against disposable culture? Is Labubu a cute toy, or is it a symptom of incoming economic collapse? Upon finishing the 6 Labubu sculptures that I did this week, I started thinking about how we are obsessing about tiny collectible things when the world is falling apart around us. In times of crisis, we seem to attribute crazy amount of value to useless objects, something to hold on unto times of madness. And this is not new. In the tulip mania of the 1600s, people were going crazy over flower buds. In the Corona times, people were crazy about digital art and NFTs, a digital talisman for uncertain times. And that's the gamble. Will your Labubu maintain its value, or will be forgotten in a box in your basement? Or even worse, a landfill. Well, your Labubu artwork will maintain its value, even if the Labubu market collapses, because it will endure as a artistic reminder of the Labubu craze of 2025. So, what you think? Is it art, or is it a miniature economic experiment? So, is it a Labubu? Is it a Lafufu? Who knows? Well, I actually made a Lafufu. That's what a fake Labubu is called. Got me thinking about how it's weird how we assign value to objects. Take the case of the German forger, Wolfgang Betraki, who went for jail for forging paintings, selling fake paintings. But now he's out of jail, selling those paintings for a lot of money because he's famous. I think he has a Netflix documentary and everything. To make my fake Lafufu, I first started with a digital sketch. That sketch then goes to the laser cutter, and it does its magic, cuts each piece perfectly for me to paint, and then I assemble each Labubu by hand. It looks chaotic, but each piece is perfect, fits exactly where it needs to go, making this Labubu-shaped puzzle. And then compare it to a Labubu, mass-produced in some factory, God knows where, millions of Labubus being made per minute, mass-produced, with no love to each one of them. Compare that to the ones I did, by hand, hand-painted, hand-cut, hand-assembled, 100% human-made. With a little help of a robot, but who's counting? So, is this Labubu just a wall sculpture, tiny forgery, copy, hype, madness? So, buying this Lafufu is not boring. It feels like gambling. Here's a twist. When you buy my Lafufu, yes, the fake Labubu that I made, you don't get to choose the color. It's a surprise. They're all packed and I'm gonna send you one randomly. Or if you really want them, you can buy all of them. But that's your thing. It would be cool though. It's not new. Loot boxes, collectible toys, Pokemon packs. Humans have always loved the thrill of the unknown. And it's the same with my Lafufus. It's a surprise. Each one comes in a customized pizza box with a portrait of me on it. So it's art inside of art. Like meta art. There's something interesting about desire and scarcity. We obsess about what we can't control, over what we might get, over the gamble itself. And Labubu might be a little bit dangerous in that sense. It's a reflection of consumer behavior through a colorful, tiny, cute little sculpture. So is this Lafufu just a surprise art toy for your wall, or is it gambling?